Can data from sound be used for analytics, similar to image and text data? Yes, just like we can analyze pictures and words, we can also analyze sounds. For instance, we can use computers to recognize speech, identify different types of music, or even detect strange sounds in the environment. So, sound data can be very useful for things like understanding speech, suggesting music, and noticing unusual sounds around us. What are some other areas where artificial intelligence can be applied? First, healthcare. AI helps doctors with diagnosing and treating illnesses. Second, transportation. AI powers self-driving cars and traffic systems. Third, education. AI supports personalized learning and tutoring. Fourth, finance. AI detects fraud and analyzes stock markets. Fifth, entertainment. AI suggests movies, music, and games. Sixth, agriculture. AI improves crop yields and monitors plant health. Seventh, customer service. AI chatbots offer instant support. Eighth, environmental conservation. AI monitors wildlife and ecosystems.